Day 25, Ionic Compounds with Roman Numerals, Part 5. So we're going to start off with mixing iron 3 with an oxide. So iron 3 is a +3, oxide is a -2. We have to get to 0. So +3 +3, -2 -2 -2 equals 0. So we have our math equation. Then we put it together. We have 2 irons and we have 3 oxides. So Fe2O3. The name would be called iron 3 oxide. Now if we wanted to, we could say iron with a +3 charge and oxide with a -2 charge. What we could do is just play that crisscross game and go Fe2O3. Fe2O3, iron 3 oxide. Now we want to do copper 2 nitride. Copper 2 nitride. Copper 2 is copper with a +2. Nitride is the -3. Bring that on over. We're going to get Cu3N2. Copper 2 nitride. Copper 1 phosphide. Well, let's go over here. Copper 1 + 1 phosphide, that's a -3. Cu3P. Copper 1 phosphide. Thallium 1 hydride, that's a +1 -1 equals 0. And manganese 2 iodide. Manganese 2, it's a +2. Iodide is a -1. Bring that on over. Mni2. Manganese 2 iodide. So if you look at the name of a compound, write the chemical formula. Vanadium 3 iodide. Well, it says vanadium 3. That's V with a +3. Iodide, that's a -1. Vanadium 3 iodide is going to be Vi3. Just bring those on over. Vanadium 3 iodide. Cobalt 2 hydride. Cobalt 2 and hydride is a -1. So just bring them on over and we're getting COH2. Cobalt 2 hydride. Palladium 2 nitride. Palladium 2. Palladium is a +2. Nitride is a -3. Bring them over and we'll get PD3N2. Palladium 2 nitride. Couple more here is thallium 1 oxide. Thallium 1, Tl with a +1. Oxide, it's got a -2 on it. So let's play our math equations. +1 -2, we have to get to 0, so we need another one of these thalliums in order to get to 0. So we have 2 of the thalliums and 1 of the oxides. Gold 1 bromide. Gold 1 is Au with the +1. Bromide is a -1. +1 -1 equals 0. AuBr. Gold 1 bromide. So we worked with ions in which there was more than one in the box. We used our math equations and our other techniques in order to write out the names of these chemical compounds. By following the math equations and using the techniques that I've shown you, you should be able to name over 1,000 chemical compounds. And that should be great. That should be a good feeling. Next week, what we're going to do is we're going to magnify this by the order of 5. We're going to be able to name over 5,000 chemical compounds. And we're going to do that with polyatomic ions. So do some more practice with that homework and quiz. Have a great day.